Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Niranjana from Leotales. So today we have a brand new subscription to unbox. The name is Box or Treasure and today we have their launch edition. It is a jewelry subscription priced at 450 plus 50 to 80 rupees shipping depending on your location. It is a fully personalized subscription and all the options would be listed at the end of the video. So this was how the courier packaging reached me. Shipping was quick and safe, and once I open, I have a box that reads Box or Treasure. So let's open up and see what we have in the launch edition and let's see if it is worth it or not. So here is Box or Treasure and it comes in a plastic box packaging and it's nicely sealed. On top of that we have the card that says Box or Treasure, and once we open it we have all the products, everything bubble wrapped and individually packed. So let's start one by one with the products. So this is the first jewelry piece and it is a neck piece. As you know, all the options will be listed at the end, so you can check that out for maybe you will find something that will suit your taste as well. So this is something that goes perfectly with my kind of jewelry taste and it's very beautiful actually. I do have boho designs but I don't have anything in this particular design. I really like the design and quality is also very good. Not very lightweight, not too heavy, and definitely a beautiful boho with this arc design. It's really pretty and I liked this neck piece. So this is my first jewelry piece.
I can wear it as a choker like this, or I can extend it even downwards and wear it like a normal necklace also.
The second jewelry piece is a pair of earrings and it is blue. It's a nice blue. This is actually reflective blue kind of thing. I actually thought it was just a stone when I saw the selection. So this is like a double layer earring and it's very it's a bit heavy and it's very gaudy, which I like. I don't have anything gaudy in this particular blue color, so that is why I chose this in the first place. So the earrings, it's very pretty. It's not fully Afghani. It's like a mirror Afghani plus a reflective blue mirror. It looks very nice. You can actually see the tube light getting reflected. So this is pretty and this is my second pair of jewelry. The third jewelry piece that I picked is this multicolor earrings and it is very lightweight. It has almost all the colors. Well, the good thing is that in each category you have many designs to choose from. Like they're not very similar, so you can curate it in any way you want. You can make it your full kit boho or a mix of everything like that. So this is what I picked from the lot and it's a lightweight earrings and something that you can definitely wear with a lot of outfits. Lightweight is the good thing about the earrings. The fourth pair of jewelry that we have here is an earrings and it is it reminds me of our national flag. If this was blue instead of red, then perfect. So the color is actually, it's a unique combination. Despite being our flag combination on some level, it still is a unique combination when it comes to earrings. And this is how the rear side looks like. So it is lightweight and it's very what do you call it, very comfortable to wear, and also it's a nice pattern, very colorful also. So this is my fourth pair. Next is the last pair of jewelry and you have a choice. You can go for some very modern stud patterns or something ethnic. I went with the ethnic design and this is what I picked. It's a mini jhumki and it's a very cute design. It has maroon and green color going on and this is the rear side of the earrings. So I went with this. I don't know why. I found the design to be very, very unique. And I don't know, unique or very beautiful. I don't know what exactly. Not really my kind of jewelry, but I really wanted to give it a shot. And it has a very intricate design going on and it's very pretty and I really like it. So this is my last pair of jewelry. So that's everything I received in my Box or Treasure launch edition for March. I like the fact that you can actually choose your jewelry. Either you can go for a complete surprise box where they'll send it, or you can choose individual jewelry pieces, which is quite nice. And the price of the box is $4.99 and you're getting 5 jewelry pieces. and you can curate it any way you want. I really like the neck piece. It's a very unique one, and I also feel that it's a bit costly, and also the blue earrings is also similar. So I really liked it. As for a launch edition, it's pretty good, and in future I hope to see more and more choices to be added, more and more unique designs and all to be added. It is definitely one of the good jewelry subscriptions under 500 to go for. So that is my review about Box of Treasure. If you're interested, you can go ahead and purchase. The link is in the description box. Do let me know what you guys think of it and which is your favorite jewelry. So we'll meet soon. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. So let's take a look at some of the options. These are the 4 neck pieces. You can choose one. This is for option 2. This is option 3. These are slightly smaller and lightweight. And this is option 4. As for 5th piece, you can either go for these hair pins or hair clips, or you can go for one of these earrings, or you can go for one of these studs. So yeah, that's all the 5 pieces. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Bye-bye.